Before we begin,
Welcome to Doc Pro English Learning.
the place where you train your ears
Improve your fluency.
and start thinking in English naturally.
Now take a deep breath
Relax your mind,
and focus only on English.
because after today,
Your listening skills will never feel the same again. What if 1 hour a day could completely change your English?
not grammar books,
Not difficult rules,
not memorizing thousands of words,
just listening.
because the truth is simple.
The more you listen to real English,
The more natural your English becomes.
native speakers are not faster than you because they are smarter.
They are faster because their brains are trained to hear English every single day.
And today,
We are going to train your brain the same way.
so if you want to understand movies better
Speak more confidently.
and stop translating in your head,
Stay with me until the end.
this is not just listening practice.
This is fluency training.
English is everywhere.
In conversations,
In movies,
in interviews,
in songs.
in podcasts.
But many English learners still struggle to understand native speakers
Do you know why?
because they study English.
But they do not live with English.
Fluency does not come only from grammar.
Fluency comes from exposure.
The more English you hear,
The more comfortable your brain becomes.
think about children learning their first language.
They do not start with grammar rules.
They start with listening,
They hear words again and again every day.
slowly.
Naturally.
Their brain understands patterns.
And one day,
They begin speaking fluently.
you can train your brain the same way.
That is why listening practice is powerful.
Now let us begin with simple daily English.
Imagine you wake up early in the morning.
You open your eyes.
You check your phone.
You drink water.
You look outside the window.
The weather feels fresh and peaceful.
You tell yourself.
Today is going to be a good day.
You get ready for work or school.
You make breakfast.
Maybe eggs.
Maybe toast.
Maybe coffee.
Then you leave your house and start your day.
This is real English.
Simple.
Natural.
Useful.
Many learners try to learn difficult words first.
But native speakers use simple English most of the time.
That is why simple English is powerful.
Now let us continue.
Imagine you meet your friend in the evening.
Your friend says,
Hey,
"How was your day?"
and you reply,
"It was pretty busy."
but good.
Then your friend says,
I am tired today.
and you answer,
Yeah,
"Me too."
this is how real conversations happen.
Short.
Natural.
Relaxed.
Native speakers do not always speak in long, perfect sentences.
Sometimes one simple sentence is enough.
Now let us practice listening with emotions.
Listen carefully.
I cannot believe this.
That sounds amazing.
I am really excited.
No way.
Are you serious?
English is not only words.
English is emotion.
When native speakers talk,
They change their tone naturally.
that is why pronunciation and emotion work together.
Now imagine you are traveling in America.
You walk into a coffee shop.
The worker smiles and says,
"What can I get for you today?"
You answer confidently.
"Can I get a medium coffee, please?"
The worker asks.
"Anything else?"
You reply,
That is all.
Thank you.
Simple conversations like this happen every day.
And the more you listen.
The easier these conversations become.
Now let us talk about confidence.
Many English learners are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
Every fluent speaker made mistakes before becoming fluent.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
The important thing is consistency.
Practice every day.
Listen every day.
Speak every day.
Even 15 minutes daily can improve your English over time.
Now repeat these sentences in your mind.
I can improve my English.
I can understand native speakers.
I can speak confidently.
I will never give up.
Excellent.
Positive thinking is important when learning a language.
Because confidence changes the way you speak.
Now let us continue with more listening practice.
Imagine you are talking with your coworker.
Your coworker says.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
You answer.
Yeah.
I might watch a movie and relax at home.
Your coworker smiles and says,
That sounds nice.
Small talk is very common in English-speaking countries.
People talk about weather,
Movies,
food,
work.
and daily life.
These simple conversations help people connect.
Now here is another important secret.
Do not try to understand every single word.
Focus on understanding the main idea,
Even native speakers sometimes miss words during conversations.
but they still understand the message.
Relax your mind when listening.
Do not panic.
The more relaxed you are,
The better.